Hello again from the Pompey Observatory. We're going to assemble the Discovery dish. I'm going to do the whole thing, starting with screws, nuts and bolts. They urge us to do all the tightening manually by hand, so we're going to do that. I want to do it loosely first. We'll tighten later. There are 9 bolts and nuts. Connecting the 3 pieces together. Okay, first 3 done. Number 4. It is very thin aluminum. The whole thing weighs less than a kilo, 2 pounds. I'm not wearing safety glasses because I'm not using any power tools. Okay, there we go. And this is 8. And this is 9. And now we can tighten them all. I have a hand wrench. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Next step is to connect the angle bracket to the back. Okay. Losing pieces. There we go. Same nuts and bolts. 4 of them. There's one. There is 2. There is 3. And there is 4. Other than the preparation of the parts, this is all being done in real time, no speeding up or slowing down of the video. Alright, we can do some tightening here. This is going to be, it is tight to start with, okay. Finger tight seems enough. Next. Aha, okay. Three bolts. And they connect to those 3. These are the longer bolts. And my awkwardness shows. Alright, let's do it differently. Alright, we're going to go one at a time. Again, same size nuts and bolts. This is 2. We'll tighten them momentarily. This is 3. Fell under the table. Found it. Okay, we're going to tighten it. Okay. Next, I'm going to put these 2 back in so we don't lose them. These are the two nuts for the bolts that are going to tighten the feed. Okay, they are in. Now we start improvising. Dovetail. And the plan here is to mount it on a mount. We tighten this. And there is the Skywatcher mount, and this is going to mount right here and tighten. This will allow us to track in every dimension, direction, both alt and as. The only thing missing now is putting the feed, and that's going to require threading about 20 feet worth of cable all the way through. Gently. Uh-oh, tighten. Just adjusting the camera a bit. Audio on this one is going to be problematic. Almost there. So we don't have to mess with the focus. There is a marker here that shows exactly how deep in we need to go. And that's it. Now we can tighten the two nuts. Okay. And the only thing remaining is putting the blue reflector. And we are done. I hope to have first light sometime within the next 2 nights. So we'll see you then.